Hi, everybody. I'm Professor Joe Cain, and I'm one of the tutors on the Science Communication program. I'm a historian and philosopher of science by training, but don't hold that against me. In the Science Communication program, what I do is I contribute a module called Science in the Publishing Industry. You know, the production of books and journals and all kinds of other products is just absolutely central to what we think of as communication. There's a giant industry and it contributes billions to the British economy. It's an international business, and all kinds of things are going on in the publishing industry that you should know about if you're interested in a career in science communication. Also on the degree, I contribute other things too, like podcasting. We do annual workshops for people to take to train in podcasting if that's something you're interested in doing. I also am the voice of WeAreSTS, which is the official podcast for Science and Technology Studies here at UCL. I am sure you've heard about it. Well, if you come to the program, you're more than welcome to contribute. Maybe you want to contribute a little bit. Maybe you want to contribute a lot. Maybe you want to create episodes that we can broadcast through WeAreSTS and our networks. Well, you're more than welcome to do that. Well, whether you do a little, whether you do a lot, I hope you come to STS and do something to contribute to the science communication program. We've got a lot going on here. It is exciting. It's a bit hard at times, but it's really valuable and it's really rewarding when you see those outputs go out into the real world. I'm Professor Joe Cain, and I look forward to seeing you here soon. Bye now.